Hello friends. So today we are going to do an activity based on Euclid's division lemma. In this we have to find the HCF of two numbers, say A and B, where A is greater than B. And we have to find the HCF of these two numbers using the Euclid's division lemma. So I have taken the value of A to be 17 centimeter and value of B as 5 centimeter. And I will find its HCF by a cut and paste activity. First I will take some colored papers and cut strips. The first strip is of length 17 centimeter, that is the length of A. So this is a paper strip of 17 centimeter and I will paste this strip on the white sheet of paper. After that I will cut one more paper strip of a different color and I will cut it with the length of 5 centimeter because B is having a value of 5 centimeter. So the second paper strip I have taken an orange color and I have cut it equal to B. So this is 5 centimeter strip and this also I am going to paste. Just below the previous strip, touching it and starting from its end point. Now I have to stick as many paper strips of length 5 centimeter as will cover beneath this. So I see that if I arrange, I have cut many strips of 5 centimeter. If I arrange 3, I can put them here. The fourth one will not come here. So I will paste 3 paper strips, each of 5 centimeter below this one. After that, I have to measure how much length is remaining to be covered or how much length is left. So I have taken a paper strip and I have tried to measure that. So I see that this length is equal to 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter length is left because this one is 17, this is 5, 5 and 5, so it will be 15. So that means I have taken 3 factors of 5 to cover 17 and 2 is left. So I will cut a paper strip which is equal to the left out length and I will paste it just below only the one strip of this orange color and see how many I can paste there. Since this is of length 5, I am able to paste 1 and 1 more. So 2 paper strips of this length can be pasted beneath this to cover it. If I take one more strip of 2, it will cross it, so I will not do. Now I have to measure this length which is left out. So I have taken one paper strip to measure it. Since this one is 5, this one is 2, there will be 2 plus 2, 4 and 1 centimeter length will be left. So this strip I have cut for 1 centimeter and I have cut 2 strips of 1 centimeter each. So these 2 strips will be pasted below the brown one and see if it covers it completely. After pasting it, I will see that now this is covered completely and no extra space is left, right? So that means HCF of 17 and 5 is 1. That is the length of the last strip. So HCF of A and B will be equal to HCF of 17 and 5 is 1. And thus this activity is completed. to find the HCF using Euclid's division lemma by paper cutting and pasting method. Thank you.